Located between Ada and Mol, Budžak Lake offers an 11-kilometer-long walking trail that is easy to explore and suitable for visitors looking to enjoy nature and peaceful surroundings. The trail leads through the natural landscapes around the lake, offering a relaxing outdoor experience ideal for walking, recreation, and discovering the beauty of the region. Kikinda and Nakovo hiking trail. Length 8 kilometers, approximately 45 minutes along an asphalt road. The route is well marked and fully lit, making it suitable for walking, cycling, and enjoying the surrounding landscape both during the day and in the evening. Special Nature Reserve, Paznjaci velike droplje, Mokrin. The pastures form a unique mosaic of steppe, saline, meadow, wetland, and arable ecosystems, creating a habitat for many rare plant and animal species. Among them, the most remarkable is the Great Bustard, the largest flying bird in Europe. This area represents the only habitat of the species in Serbia, and one of the few remaining habitats in Europe. Today, fewer than 40 individuals remain. The landscape stands as one of the most valuable natural treasures of the region, preserving fragile ecosystems and endangered wildlife in their natural environment. Lake Laguna, Banatsko veliko selo. Length 1.5 kilometers. Easy route with a partly asphalt and partly earth surface. The area offers a peaceful natural setting, ideal for fishing, relaxation, and enjoying the calm atmosphere of the surrounding landscape. Blandash Park length 1 kilometer, easy walking route. This protected natural site offers peaceful surroundings, tourist accommodation, and the restaurant Park, making it a perfect place for relaxation and enjoying nature.